Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. I'm very excited. But before we begin, let me ask you a quick question. Are you ready to make money today without doing anything, without selling anything? Yes? Let's do this. Okay, on my screen, I am looking at a huge evergreen and trending niche. This niche has over 368,000 monthly searches. And in front of me, 21,000 people have already made money from this, from a platform that has over 392 million monthly visitors. One of those people have made over $630,000 already. Okay, this is so amazing and so exciting because two things. They have done all this. They have made all this money from one single digital file. And the best part, all this money was made without selling. And the best of the best part, if you stick to the end of the video, if you're watching the full video, I will give you step by step how you can do this. In fact, a 7-year-old can do this. And I will give you a done for you downloadable that you can upload and make money from the same platform, same way, same thing. Everything is ready done for you. You just have to watch the full video. By the way, another benefit of watching the full video, not only you get all the information, but also I will give you that text version, the transcript of this video, so you can use it as a reference. So it will help you make more money in the future. Did you like this video so far? Super awesome. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be the first one to get notified when we upload our next video. Ready for this? Let's go. We are on similarweb.com. We are looking at the traffic analytics of Etsy.com. You know Etsy? Okay. Now, let's go to Uber Suggest for the keyword, the weird keyword. Should I open this now? Let's do this. Resume template. Oh my God, resume template. Yeah, look, before I started my business as an online marketer, product creator, affiliate marketer, I used to work for companies. I worked as a civil engineer. Back then, I always wanted a better job. For a better job, I needed to update my CV or resume frequently. And how can I do that? The only way was templates. So I looked for resume templates online and edited or modified my CV every time. So now that time I never knew that this is such a big niche and people can actually make money from one file without selling from one platform. Oh my God, it's so amazing. But now when I came back, I wanted to look at still resume is a huge search item or not. Yes, actually it is. In the description, you will find all the links. So I looked for the keywords on Uber Suggest and look at the keywords. Resume template gets over 368,000 monthly searches worldwide. Resume template free 90,000. Resume template for good dogs. Resume template Google Docs. Resume template Word. All of these keywords get tens of thousands per month. And some of them SEO difficulty are so less that literally anyone can rank their websites using this keyword. But we are not going to that path. We are going to fast money without selling from one item. And I'm going to give you the item done for you. So that's why you're watching this, right? Okay, so let's go to Etsy. And we are on Etsy. I just used the keyword resume template and look at what I found. 21,813 people, okay, results with ads. And if you look at all of them, almost all of them sold and made money. Now I chose only one, look here, okay? And you see, this is just one template. And just one template is sold in multiple different formats. That's it. And they sold 67,372 units, which equals to, at a price point of $9.42, $634,644. Oh my God. So they don't really have to do anything. What they have done, they made a template, uploaded here. The previews are all here. So customers already know what they are buying. When they buy, they get the downloads and customers are happy. And I'll show you one interesting thing here. 3,036 reviews only out of 67,372. So 3,036 multiplied by 100 divided by 67,372 equals 4.5% customers only came back and left a review and all 5-star ratings. Super amazing. Is this good? Awesome. Now, as I told you, if you watch the full video, I will give you a downloadable that you can upload. Yes, I will give you a resume template that you can upload on Etsy and sell and make money. That's it. Now, the next question, how are you going to make money? How are these sales happening without selling? I told you that it's going to be without selling. So how will it be without selling? Here is how you can sell on Etsy. When you sell on Etsy, you just have to create a seller account and then upload your downloadable or your product. And Etsy will charge you money for a 20 cents listing fee, 5% transaction fees and PayPal fees. Okay, or probably they are just one fees, and 15% offsite ads free. So basically, Etsy will run ads for your products or for your listings. And when you make a sale, you're not gonna pay them for other people's product sales. You're gonna pay them for your product sales. So from those sales, you will make money, and you will pay 15% offsite ads free, only the price for selling your products. So Etsy is basically selling for you. By the way, you will find all the gifts and links and bonuses in the description, and also you should see the link somewhere here. In case you don't know how to list your first product on Etsy, it's very simple. There is an article on Etsy. I will leave the link in the description. Go and click that link and you'll be on this page from where you can simply click and it will take you to the relevant pages. You open your account, go step by steps. There are only 8 steps, done one time only. When you are done, your listing is ready. Now, there are already thousands of sellers selling their templates on Etsy.com. So in order to get recommended by Etsy, you need to prove your worth. It's not that hard. Basically, you need some initial sales. So let's find some customers for you. For that, we will spy on competitors. First, we will go to Uber Suggest. Go to keyword ideas, search with resume design. As you can see, a lot of people are searching for resume design type of keywords every single month. And these are the websites that are getting the traffic. One of them is Venngage.com. This is the article which is about resume design, and they're getting approximately 273 visitors. Now, when we looked at the analytics of Venngage.com, we found 1.69% of their 3.29 million monthly visitors are from social media, and almost 50% of the social media traffic are coming from Pinterest. That's interesting, and it's very good because Pinterest is the easiest way to get traffic. What's even more promising is that there are 2 Pinterest pin boards that are directly getting search engine traffic. This is one of the board and this is another. So if you take one evening to build your Pinterest account and post resume design related posts or pins, soon you will start getting traffic. Also, Venngage is getting traffic from Pinterest. So if you spy on them by clicking this little Pinterest logo on their website and visit their Pinterest account, what you will find is really interesting. We have a habit of thinking that number of followers shows the number of visitors, which is not really true because they have only 29,000 followers. It's really easy on Pinterest, but it's not even more important. The most important is they have 10 million monthly views. And from these analytics, we clearly know that they are getting a lot of traffic from Pinterest. I will drop a link in the description so you will learn how easy it is to create a Pinterest account and get traffic. All this traffic will send you initial sales on your Etsy store and listings that will easily push your listing and your store on top of Etsy searches, and Etsy will eventually reward you via free traffic and sales. And I can't wait to see you make sales and make money completely autopilot without you selling anything. Did you like this video so far? Can you flex your finger and hit the like button, as this way YouTube knows that it's a good video and a lot more people will get benefited from this video. So please hit like and subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we upload a new video.